everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters, and I have an exciting new product to share with you today. Today I get to introduce to you the Andy's Hobby Headquarters Store and Stack crystal clear acrylic cases. And here they are right here. I just want to tell you a couple of the quick features that makes these things really great for the plastic modeler. First of all, they are stackable. They have these little indents right here that match the one underneath. So once you lock them into place, they lock together. And the other great feature that we had put onto these is this, front loading. There it is right there. And the main benefit of that is that if you have a stack of display cases, you know, 3 or 4 high, in the old days, if you had them that way, oh crap, I gotta go take this and lift off the top right here to get to the bottom model down here. Well, not anymore. Now you can actually get in here, open up the thing, grab your piece out, ready to go. Now, size-wise, they're actually, as you can see, a pretty good size case right here and can hold quite a few different items. 35th scale armor, no problem in there. It will hold most 16 scale small stuff, like Panzer Is will fit inside, any of those kind of things. Also, you can put small dioramas inside here as well. I have the dimensions right here. So the inside dimensions are 13.6 inches this way. Then we have 9.8 inches this way and 7.5 inches tall. So gives you an idea about what you can actually put inside. Now, another thing that we have on these cases actually come broken down and you have to assemble them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to my workbench in just a second and show you how quickly and easily they go together. So it's not a problem. The main benefit of that is shipping size. You can ship a lot more that way, but breakage. You don't have the breakage that regular display cases. The old days when I would get cases smaller than this even, you'd get them in and literally half of them would be cracked because something would slam into it. These are all broken down, wrapped in bubble wrap, and then boxed up, so very secure. The other nice thing about this is the price that we have on these. So they're available for pre-order right now on our website, and they will be here in about maximum 4 weeks. I don't even think even that long because our container is actually leaving on this day. That's why I'm putting the video in now that I have confirmation that it's leaving. So the price on these are, if you want to buy just one, they're $14.99. If you buy a 5-pack, it breaks them down to $69.99. And that makes them $13.99 a case. And if you buy 10, you get them for $129.99, which works out to $12.99 for this big, beautiful case with all the features, like I said, stackable, the magnets in the front with the front loading. A great value, and I've been messing around with these, putting stuff in my store for a while, so a lot of my regulars in town have seen these, and lots of good comments and good reviews on it right there. So what I'm going to do now, let's go over to the bench and I'll show you how this goes together. Okay, so when you open up the package, it's all going to come very nicely packed in bubble wrap and then have each individual piece wrapped in plastic. That way there are no scratches on anything. So I'm going to unpack all of this stuff and then I'll quickly show you how this goes together. Okay, I've got all the parts unpacked here and I've got all the paper still, or the plastic around here too, in between each one of the sheets just to keep it, you know, from getting scratched while we work on it here. The first thing I want to put together is the front door. And if you notice down here in the corner, there is a little screw in here and a magnet actually on the door. So some little plastic fuzzies right there. Very simple. There's a hole up in the corner and a pin. This is just going to go like this. Slide that one in as far as it'll go. And then you just come to this other side, snap it in, and you'll see here that it's magnetized for the front piece. And then next up, I've got the back and one of the sides, and there is a little peg that you can kind of see sticking out here. Maybe you can. I can see it in person here, and there's a little slot over on the other side here. So really simple. Just put the two pieces, just snap them together just like that. We'll take our other side, do the exact same thing. Don't want to bump the camera, but come like this then. And just like that, that snaps into place. Then that front door section that we put on, making sure that the door opens forward. You don't want to snap that into place the wrong way. Snap that in just like this. Get the other side just like that, simple enough. Then you've got the top and the bottom. The top is going to have the groove facing down. And you'll know that because that's how you're going to be able to stack them really well. And just need to go put that on and just snap all the little edges into place. Just like that, simple enough. Same thing with the bottom. Pop that on, slide those in. Make sure they're all lined up nice. Then you can just push just like that. Make sure everything's all nice and snug. Check your door, make sure it works properly. And you have just assembled your display case. And now that it's assembled, I'll show you that you can just stack them right up on top of each other. Actually, let me rotate that around so both doors are in the front. And just like that, you have the display case that's stackable. And the beauty of this is now that you can stack these really high, you know, you put 6 of them on top of each other and still get at any one of the models that you have in your display. So in the old days, you know, if you just had the regular stacking cases, if you wanted your bottom model, you had to pull everything off there. This way, nope, just go right in there and find the one you want. Well, there you go, guys. There is a look at how quick and easy these will go together. What I did is also I threw in some kits in here to give you a kind of a size comparison. So this is Takom's Panzer 1 in 16 scale. This is the big scale one. Fits in there plenty of room. Also, this is Takom's 16 scale Willys Jeep. Here it is inside here. So you could put it in there with the trailer, figures. You could build a whole, like I said, a whole little diorama, and you'd be all set to go on it. So these are up for pre-order right now, and they are due to arrive in the United States in early October. Remember, $14.99 if you buy one. We don't have a pre-order on the single one right now just because they're going to show up. But if you want to take advantage of the special pricing, and you can pre-order right now a 5-pack for $69.99. or the 10-pack for $129.99. So you get them for $12.99 if you buy 10 of them all at once right there. And the pre-order for the 5-pack and the 10-pack are up right now on the website. And if you go over there, as soon as they show up, they will slap a label on them and get them right out the door to you there. So there you go, guys. I hope you're as excited about these as I am, because I know there's been a huge response. I've had them on display. I had them at IPMS Nationals and here in the store, and people are chomping at the bit to get a hold of these here. So if you're interested in them, you can go on our website, andyshhq.com, and pre-order them right now. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you as always for watching, and please stay tuned because I have many more videos coming.